What's going on, guys? We are back with another video, taking a look at another single color backlit mechanical keyboard. Now, apparently I didn't know this was a thing, but it looks like several companies have these now. Corsair, HyperX, I believe even Razer has a single color backlit mechanical keyboard. I think in the HyperX review I said that it was kind of taking us back to like 2013 or something like that, with these Cherry MX switches with the single color LEDs, and apparently that's a thing. I don't know if these are in demand or if there's some type of quality or demand issue, but that's a thing. So what we're taking a look at here today is a keyboard from eSPORTS. This is the MEKA PRO or MEKA PRO. If you take a look at the keyboard here, it is pretty much plastic all around. It's not too thick on the upper half, doesn't have this gamery aesthetic. So as you can see across the top row here, you do get all of your media keys, so your play, pause, volume. They've even included a calculator shortcut, which I actually used that so much when I was using, you know, just your basic rubber dome keyboards. They would always include that, and I would use that all the time, so I'm kind of happy to see that here. You also have the option of recording macro keys on the fly, or selecting your preset profiles. There's in-key rollover that you can enable here, although sometimes that can cause issues with your OS or getting into your BIOS, so use that with caution. And of course you do have a couple of lighting modes and lighting profiles, I guess you could call them, which we'll go over here in a minute. Now, one thing I do want to note here is this does not use a standard bottom row, so if you're looking to pick up aftermarket keycaps, that may be an issue for you. Now, as far as lighting modes, this one can do several. You've got, of course, your static, which is going to be the backlight on all the time, which is red, by the way, if you haven't noticed. You also have the pulse effect, reactive, wave, ripple, sparkle, and you can even disable the backlighting. You've also got these kind of like illumination profiles, so you can set the keyboard to like an RTS profile or FPS, which would illuminate like the WASD keys and the number keys across the top there. You can do MOBA or MMORPG. So if you just want to have certain areas of the keyboard backlit, depending on, you know, what type of game you're playing or whatever, you can enable that here. Now let's go ahead and pull off the keycap here and take a look at the switches. So the ones that I have here with this keyboard are Cherry MX blue switches, although they do come in the brown and red variants as well. This does come with a keycap puller, so you can take these off easily, by the way. So with the keycap removed, you can see the blue switch there, just to prove it is Cherry MX switches. You also can see the single LED there, bringing it back a little bit old school with the single color. Also, I almost forgot to mention, you do get some extra keycaps that you can put on this keyboard. So you've got some over the WASD keys and the arrows, as well as the escape key. They're pretty much just your basic ABS keycaps here, nothing too special about them, but it will give the keyboard a different look. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have to say about this keyboard. I mean, it's got a plastic housing. You've got a rubber cable there that's fortunately not removable. You've got just your basic ABS keycaps, one color LED backlit, but you do have Cherry MX switches, so that's just something to keep in mind here. But let me know what you guys think about this keyboard down in the comments below. I think I kind of like the HyperX Alloy keyboard a little bit better than this in terms of overall build quality, although with what they were trying to do, I think they should have had a 10 keyless model. But this one's not bad either. It's just kind of, I think it should be a little bit cheaper for what you get as a whole. But I am glad eSPORTS decided to offer Cherry MX switches. So that's about it, guys. Let me know again what you think down in the comments below. I'm gonna get up out of here, guys. Got some more Ryzen 5 1600 testing to do. I do have a build video coming with that CPU, as well as some testing up against my Ryzen 7 1700. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you are subscribed. Go ahead and like this video if you like this type of content. And until next time, I'm out of here, guys. See ya.